Divide the group into 4 teams. Each team will be assigned a quadrant of the gym. In the center of each quadrant, there is a hula hoop, cone, and a ball on top of the cone. The object of the game is for the teams to knock the other team's ball off the cone while protecting their own ball from being knocked off. When a ball gets knocked off, the team that no longer has a ball on their cone can join one of the other teams that still has a ball on their cone. Which team they choose to join is completely up to them. The game goes until only one team remains with the ball in their cone.